What's your name?
My, my name is María del Mar Guzmán Montoya.
How do you spell your family name?
I spell my family name with Guzman.
Where are you from?
Originally, I am from Colombia.
Where are you from? Are you working or studying at the moment?
At the moment, I'm doing both. I'm doing college and also I'm working as a nanny.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I'm pretty interesting about learning to other countries because I really like to like new cultures and just learn about them.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I consider myself like a really social person, so I really enjoy to spend my free time like just doing outdoor activities and just hang out with friends.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
For me, the best way is like practicing as much I can.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
Maybe I will love to learn how to dance. Okay, thank you.